Okay, we are at 2549 East Nichols Circle. We're going to go through the laundry room clean out here and take this out to the city sewer. There's our main. Okay, now we're outside the unit because we've turned to the green pipe. It looks like we do have some buildup in here, but recommend maybe jetting, get the buildup out. But others so far, don't see any low spots yet. Okay, there's the city. 74 foot. Looks good. I didn't see any bellies. A little bit of buildup on the pipe, not major. Didn't push anything up on my camera head to block it, so doesn't look bad at all, guys. If anything, maybe a jet just to clean out the buildup. But a lot of that looks dried up because I didn't get anything pushed up on my camera head. So let's come out. Green pipe looks really good. That isn't even a lot of buildup. It's the black pipe that's got a little buildup in there. But no offsets, no bellies. I mean, looking great. Okay, here's where we got a little bit of buildup is inside, so should be black pipe. As you can see, little spots up there, that's the black pipe, so that's the buildup on the and here's cast. So looks good, guys. Let's get a shot of our clean out down here. I'm right here at the in between the washer and dryer, and that's it.